carbon almost shouldn't exist. Fusing 3 helium nuclei into one is wildly unlikely, unless carbon has an energy level at exactly the right value. In 1953, Fred Hoyle argued it must exist, because we do. They looked and found it at 7.65 million electron volts. One carbon atom bonds 4 ways at once and to itself without end. From that single trick come more than 10 million known compounds, more than all the other 100+ elements combined. A whole branch of chemistry, organic chemistry, exists for this one element. Pure carbon comes in more forms than any element. Diamond, the hardest natural material, and graphite, soft enough to write with, are both nothing but carbon. The difference is only how the atoms join. Add graphene, nanotubes, and buckyballs, and one element becomes a catalog. Cosmic rays make a trace of radioactive carbon-14, and everything alive takes it in. Stop breathing, and no more comes in. What you carry decays with a half-life of 5,730 years. Count what's left, and you can date the dead. By mass, you are about 18% carbon, second only to oxygen. Every protein, every strand of DNA, every fat and sugar in you is built on a skeleton of carbon. When people say life is carbon-based, this is the plain, literal meaning. Most of the world's coal formed in one stretch of deep time, the Carboniferous, when swamp forests grew and drowned faster than they could rot. So much carbon was buried that oxygen climbed toward 35%, and dragonflies grew wings 2 feet across. Carbon monoxide is one oxygen atom short of the gas you breathe out, and it is a silent killer. It grips the haemoglobin in your blood about 200 times more tightly than oxygen does, and will not let go. Your cells suffocate while your blood turns cherry red. Grow a dense forest of carbon nanotubes, and light that lands on it cannot escape. It rattles between the tubes until it fades to heat. The result, Vantablack, swallows 99.965% of visible light. A coated object looks like a hole cut out of the world.